Today we're going to talk about Resurrection Lilies. In the early spring, they send up their foliage along with the daffodils, and if they are planted with daffodils, you can't tell them apart. As you can see right here, they send up a flower stalk, something like this right here, that gets taller up to about 15 to 18 inches and then opens up in a bloom. You can see a short one right here next to the taller one. These flower stalks appear in late July or the 1st of August, and they start blooming. Here's some that are in blooming, sitting next to these daylilies right here, next to the red daylilies and the birdbath. Each stalk has 3-inch flowers that grow in groups of 6 to 8. And the flowers look like lily flowers, can be either pink or white. Here's some over here, just starting to bloom. There's more over here next to this hibiscus. You can see several of them blooming there. They thrive in full sun. This flower bed here gets full sun and well-drained soil. And like most plants, they like rich, well-drained soil. And they prefer full sun as much as possible. And deer will eat them, and they are hardy in zones 5 to 10. And the flower stalks appear without a trace in late July and August, and the foliage dies back with the daffodils, and then a few months later, in last of July or 1st of August, the stalk appears all by itself, and that's why it's called a resurrection lily. And it gets up to about 15 inches tall and it begins blooming, and they're really nice pink flowers. There's a nice head of them right there.